Can you hear me? The audio is probably all whacked out. But if when anytime something is said, like here, maybe I can go. Leave that right. So now audio, copy, paste. All right. So when you type something, every time, like here, it'll say this. It'll say this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's saying this, right? So, and if I leave it blank, I can't press OK. So I wonder, let me see what happens if I delete, right? Let's try now. Say, it was good, MMGT. You see now I get nothing, right? Right, so now I got nothing. So so I'm trying to learn it, right? So the trigger, the issue that I'm having is, okay, I get it a little bit, right? So the trigger, this triggers a sub action. The sub action is to speak. The alias is what I set it to, and the message is, this is what I was told to put. Raw, as far as the YouTube tutorial, right? Raw input. This draws a lot of power, man. Raw input, right? Okay. And then, so to go to commands. When I go to commands, I double click here, right? But now the issue that I'm having is that in the video, there's a button under here that I don't have. Right? So let's see if it works again. Right? Hey, MM.
Percent raw input %.
Do you see? So now I think that's the issue that I'm having. So here, for example, if we go, it's also probably because I have this running. Right? So this is the issue that I'm having. It's probably not gonna play. Hold on, let me lower the volume. My computer is completely just slow.
Percent raw input.
Okay, so I'll try. Okay, I'll try that. Cause whatever this is doing too is completely making my computer go really slow. I mean, if I just have to sit there,
Percent raw input %.
if I just have to sit there and like read chat, like it is what it is. But there has to be a solution. Streamers, free TTS for streamers. Okay. I just feel like I'm so close. I feel like I'm just missing a step. But I am on a different version than this guy. Right? Let me see if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. But literally feel like my computer's about to blow up. Okay, yeah, right. Obviously logged in. So right here, if you guys can see my screen, can you guys see my screen? No. If you guys can see my screen, MMGT, I'm gonna look at that link right now, but I think I gotta stop.
Percent raw
I use speech chat for doing VR streaming, easy to use. It just runs in a browser. Okay, that's cool. That might be my next option because if you guys see right here, oh, you can't see my mouse. I forgot. I don't know why I turned that off. But here, if you guys can see my mouse right here, this is no more than 10% ever. This is never any more than 10%. So as soon as you guys send something, this shit shoots up to like 50, 60%, and then the computer just starts to geek out. But I also do have the browser open, and I have it set to like maximum performance. But right here in this video, can you guys see my screen? Yeah. In this video, this button right here is not here. So when you're trying to attach a command to an action, I can't because this portion is just not here. Watch. And that's the issue that I'm dealing with. So if I go to commands, double click, right? So now here, nothing, right? There's nothing here. But I am also on a different version. I am on a different version than what the video says. So I'm probably just gonna delete it because let's see what happens to my CPU once I close this stuff out. Yeah, nothing happens to the CPU. And I'm assuming I have to have these open for it to work, right? Well, I don't know that. But what's the I'm gonna look at pin message so I don't lose that. And Centaur, if you're still here, I feel like I'm so close, but I don't want to. Yeah, percent these nuts in your mouth. God damn it. Because there seems to be a service too, but you gotta pay for it, right? Let's see what happens if I X all this stuff out. Yes. Yeah, man. Right, you know what I'm telling you? And put these raw nuts in your mouth. Yeah, see, I closed those apps, and it's like even the mouse is just the. I'm not losing frames on my mouse, but it probably requires a computer a lot more energy, I guess, to display its own face. Let's see what happens here. Raw nuts. Yeah, you see how slow that typed? Okay, so clearly I gotta have it open. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is the following. But I appreciate you just helping out because notepad. Is it because of this? Is it does this cause does that force the file OBS? Put it back over here. Let's see if the computer calms down. Yeah. So maybe it was that. Was I put it here? Yeah, it starts to geek out. Oh, maybe because even though we can't see it, it's like all the way in there, you know, in the infinite matrix of the simulated reality that we live in. Okay. So yeah, the computer doesn't like that. Let's see here. Speechchat.com. Go to sites. Right. Yes or no? Go to sites. Oh man. In OBS Studio and Streamlabs. Okay. Copy client, create new scene, add a new browser source, paste in browser source, control audio, make it global, interact. That's easy. Like this is easy right here. Like I understood that. That was clear English for me. A web-based class YouTube, Google Drive, Connect. I don't trust. This website uses cookies. But does it use milk and cookies? Connect with Google Drive for further access by connecting. Okay, so I'm gonna use this as a second resource. I'm gonna start with this one just because it's talking in English, and I like English, and I get this. Like I get this. So okay, so but it's saying Twitch login, right? So I think you have to just log in through Twitch, but you can still use it for YouTube if I'm not mistaken. Also running on battery will probably make it operate in low power mode. Yeah, I don't know. I am running on battery though. Battery saver says I do have it to where it's on like I think max performance or some shit. Yeah, best performance, power mode, best performance. Battery saver turns on at 20, we're at 50. But alright, whatever. um alright, well. So really quick, let's see if it works. Let's see if we can get it to work, right? I don't even know. I don't even know my Twitch login to be honest with you. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have to do this really quickly. Tech chat only on Christmas Day. So if I look, that's my sister's puppy, guys. He's a big baby. He like went through a thing where like he was like sick for a while, so they like spoon fed him food because he wasn't eating, and ever since then, he just doesn't eat unless you spoon feed him. I told my sister she needs to fucking chill out, but this one right here gets fucking spoon fed. Mother budgers. Mother flubs. What's my username? I think it's Of course. We still testing. I know, man. I'm having issues digging through, but I think I'm just gonna use a different software. Right here, somebody told me that there's like a browser based. There's a one I could just run off the browser. So, and then whatever I was using before was just absolutely killing my CPU usage. But also, I am running straight on battery. Oh, it does arrive in the morning. Oh, I know you're excited, GMGT. If you do have a camera, I mean, I don't know what kind of phone you have, bro, but even like you don't gotta maybe uh like record everything through by through, but just just a little recording. You know what I'm saying? Because as far as like those who are following you and subscribe to you, we do know that you've been saving up for a cam. I mean, saving up and trying to get a PC. So it is something that we've been anticipating. But also, something that I found out too is that when your lives, after your live streams are posted, the views don't go towards your watch hours. So just know that, like, your watch hours for your live streams are only counted whoever's there live with you. But if, like, let's say you get 100 views after that, and they're like 5, 10 minute views, even so, they don't count towards your watch hours. So if you knew that, you knew that. But if not, just something to keep in mind. I didn't know I clicked out. I'm connected to my charger. You know, you spend so much time following the tutorial and whatnot, and then you get so close, and then to find out that you just got nowhere. Man. When you do this kind of stuff, time just flies like so fast. Like, I've been at this for like over an hour. I just feel like I'm so close, dog. Alright, whatever, man. Whatever. I can't get in. I can't log into my Twitch, and it's not sending me a code. Let me see how it works now with the computer connected to right. Okay, cool. Let's see what happens now. I'm so goddamn close. I'm so close. So close. All right. So yeah, you Centaur, you were right. It does it was using more CPU usage because it was on battery power. Because now now the CPU usage is back down. Like yeah, we're back at 3%, and I got everything running, browser, blah blah blah. I got a whole bunch of shit open. But I'm really close. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to save the links that you guys gave me. Because whatever link you gave me that I have to sign into Twitch to use it, now Twitch isn't sending me a code to reset my password. Um, it's been a while since I logged into Twitch, so whatever, So that's just being just being dumb. But I'm just so close, man. I'm just so goddamn close. I know it because just watch, it's there. I just gotta figure out what am I doing? You know what I'm saying? What am I doing wrong? I probably gotta have, I probably gotta watch a more detailed video. I know you guys don't want to see my pretty face. Like that, right? Like that, right? Like that, right? Fuck, man. Walking, hey, mate. It's hot. It's harder than catching a crocodile. I'll catch a croc in my sleep. But this is complicated, man. Do I need it? Huh? Shit. I might I might leave it like this so at least I know when somebody sent something. The link I sent you use Google instead of Twitch for the TTS part, but you can get TTS on both YouTube and Twitch. All right, so you're telling me, right? If I go here, right? You're telling me that I can I just connect here, right? To Google Drive. Bam, bam. Sign your life away. Click to unmute. Now what? Oh shit! Now what? I'm playing, bro. I'm playing. Platforms, YouTube. Sign your life away. Sign your life away. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Oh, oh, ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. All right, bet. So now, okay. All right, cool. So now I'm gonna uninstall the other shit. You know what? I'm not gonna uninstall it. Okay, but there's a delay. There is a delay. So what I'm gonna do is, for the time being, I'm gonna let that rock, right? I'm gonna use the browser based TTS, but I'm going to figure out how to get the other one because there is a delay, and I seen features on whatever I have that get all the other fancy stuff. You know, when somebody subscribes, um, and also uh, it just has other features. It just has other features, but you know things of that nature. Things of that nature, like hey, you know, somebody. No, 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 no. I want it's gonna read. It's gonna read to me only. So like like watch. All right, so like watch. So say something. Close this out. Uh oh. Yes. Yeah. So there's okay. So I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out, but this is gonna be good for the time being. So watch. I'm gonna type something, right? I'm gonna type something, and then watch this, right? When you hear percent raw input percent, that's the delay, right? So the delay is watch. I'm pressing enter now, and now I'm getting the audio. So it reads the username. I like that, and it reads the message. I like that, but there is a delay. But I feel like that's a small price to pay for the fact that it's super easy to use. And Sensor, thank you for that. Um, is there something is there something I can do to maybe decrease that delay? I don't think so. To be doesn't seem that way. Speech chat, control panel, dark theme. Yes, tiny platform logo on messages. Uh, alternate row color. Timestamp on messages. Yeah, I would like that. I like the timestamps. Display event, display notice. So display event and display notice messages. Display systems. Chat fade. What is chat fade? Oh shit. You couldn't hear any. Oh no, yeah, because you're getting it to my headset. So like, here, where's the mic? Okay, so fix. Okay. So watch. Right. I'm pressing enter now.
Iriscatal Gaming said, right now.
Okay, so right there that was a little bit quicker. So I'm not sure what that was. Right. Right, test. Here you go. Here's one more test. Now.
Iriscatal Gaming said, test.
Yeah, so it's just I think that's okay, right? I think that's okay. I just gotta keep that in mind. I just gotta keep that in mind. So thank you, Centaur. Thank you big time, man. Thank you big time. Thank you big time. That'll give me the time that I need to understand the other um let's get some quality in here, right? God damn. Yeah, I think it is fine. I don't for the ease of use, I don't think I could complain, to be honest. You know, you can't have it all in life, right? So so chat fade, I'm assuming is that's 30 seconds with always scroll to most recent message. Here, let's see what happens when I type through here. Huh? Oh, whoa, 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 no, no, no chat fade. Okay, okay, so chat fade. Maple speech plus personality voice. Each user will speak a different voice. Each user will speak a different voice. Oh, cool. Yo, if anybody, I see two more viewers. Can you guys please help me out and just send a message? The delay is fine, but there's a button here that lets me where like every user gets a different voice. So MMGT or whoever else is out there, can I see what platform? Google, Twitch. So this is probably platforms Google settings here. Stream title TTS. Let's build. Okay. Speech chat forums, bug report announcements, control panel, chat, speech format, username, said message. Huh. No, it's the same voice. It's the same voice. I wonder if it's because it might recognize the name because they're the same. So it didn't do it for the other one, as you heard, right? Yeah, because but it uses the same for my voice. I mean, for mine. Yeah, I'm not even gonna trip. I'm not even gonna trip on that. Okay, that's just something for fun. Chat, whisper, display whisper messages, read out whisper messages. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Filters, read emoticons, read numbers, read symbols, read numbers, read symbols, read symbols in username. Nope. Read numbers in username. Okay, I can dig that. Read messages that begin with exclamation point. No. Force text to speech command. I don't know what that means. Force text to speech command. Speak. Terminate speech tag. Keyword filter. Muting keywords. Muting message by keyword. Events. Post message to chat. Read out message. Message format. Welcome to my channel. Audio file. Follower. Post message to chat. Read out loud. Thanks for following. Post message to chat. Hosting. Rating. Goes ahead. Post message to chat. Read out message. Yep. If so, subscriber. Post. Oh look, I can get. Thanks for subscribing. Oh, thanks for read out message. Username. Thanks for subscribing. Okay. We're gonna click that. User group. Whitelist group name. Whitelist. Text only. Blacklist. Oh, Twitch. I don't know what that means. Enable speech. Add users. I don't know what this means. I'm not gonna touch this because I'm kind of confused. Okay, and I see. Okay, platforms, chatters. So this is relatively simple. This is really relatively simple. I think I set it up well enough. Uh, all right. So like, ask me a question, right? So like, just so we can get a gist of the delay, right? So like, right? I'm pretending to drive, right? I'm racing against Lewis Hamilton, right? So like, just ask a random question, and then we'll see the delay, so that I know what we're working with. Because I think it's different. It's a different response when I to like see the chat. But then I can also hear this, right? So we're gonna turn this off. Oh, but it's muted. So I can't mute it. So I gotta just close it, to be honest. Close. Close. Yes. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. As far as the other stuff, I do like the I do like the other one just because it's a little bit what you gonna call it. It's just rather quicker. It's just quicker, even though it's by a second though. Different account, so it wasn't clear. I thank you guys though. Thank you. Thank you for that big time. So now, so does it save it? Right? It saves it because I'm logged in, right? Control copy, right? Bookmark, done, right? Speech chat, and then gonna I'm gonna add it to my speech chat. Can I change the logo? Whatever. Okay. Well, okay. I added it to my I added it to a shortcut to my background. So Centaur, thank you. You know what? I should have messaged you earlier because I literally was gonna send you a message on Discord. I was like, hey man, I don't mean to bother you because you're sick, blah blah blah. You know, because we had just spoken about that. And then because you were sick, I was like, I'm just gonna leave the man alone. Okay, so let me see what you're talking about, right? Close it. I closed it. I closed it. So, right, I closed it. So now let's just pretend I'm starting the stream, right? So I double click on speed chat. Oh, click to unmute. Okay, I see. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So just if I close it, it just deletes all the previous chat. Huh. Okay. Okay. Now I know, man. Now I know. Next time I won't be as hesitant, you know, because I guess if you just say no, I'm not, listen, man. I'm not gonna get hurt. But next time I just say like, hey, do you mind helping me if you have the time or whatever? But I literally was gonna send it, but it would have saved me time. It would have saved me time, Because look, what the stream been going on for 52 minutes. That's fine. But even before that, I want to say it was about I've been at it. So yeah, I'm kind of blown because I wanted to make I made a video, but I wanted to edit it. Um, but yeah, that's gonna take a whole nother time. But we'll uh we'll keep in touch, man. So I'm gonna end the stream and I'm just gonna give you a call really quick, man. So let me make sure because loading page. I mean, an intro is an intro, just a cool intro. But I'll probably use Gran Turismo 7 to make that. But we'll talk, bro. We'll talk. What is this? Record this option. All right.